Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today my friends, we're back here once again with breaking news, and this time we have some brand new 4K footage of the DJI FPV drone here for all of you in the channel to see. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we will always be the first ones to bring you the latest drone news. And also we're getting close to 5,000 subscribers, so if you're new to the channel, I will truly appreciate if you will subscribe to the channel so that we can get to that 5,000 subscriber goal, which we're very close from. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be a very exciting one. Well, just a few hours ago, my friends, DJI gave us two brand new 4K clips that were shot with the DJI FPV drone, and these clips were shared on their Instagram, Twitter, and I believe even in their YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm gonna get started and show you the first 4K clip that we have right here on screen. So that is the first clip that we got. I really like it. I think at the beginning of the video we can see the silhouette of the DJI FPV drone, and then the second one we just got 2 hours ago. So without any much further ado, here it is. So there we have it. It starts with a shot of the DJI FPV camera, okay, which is a one-axis gimbal camera, and it's gonna shoot up to 4K 60 frames per second. And as all of you can see, the quality is amazing. It looks like the stabilization is there. It looks like this will be a great drone. So I just wanted to share this brand new footage that we just got a few hours ago with all of you here in the channel. So that's all I have for all of you today. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion signing out.